At Móbile Integral, students are taught English so that they can use this language to expand their linguistic repertoire and their knowledge of other academic subjects. Learning how to use the past simple to describe the actions of people in a photograph is simply a stepping stone to a much more ambitious agenda. The study of natural landscapes and famous natural disasters throughout history. From earthquakes, tsunamis, and tornadoes, students were then faced with a thought-provoking question. Why do volcanoes erupt? In the classroom, students did online research to gather information about some of the most important volcanoes on the planet. In the science lab, students looked for the answer to the volcano mystery and molded their volcanoes using clay. This was how students used English to expand their ability to collaborate with teachers and peers. Their curiosity was naturally kindled at the moment of the eruption. In our English course, the students learn much more than English.
More than 36,000 people died in Krakatoa eruption.
This is the Móbile Integral design.